Hi, second graders. Today I'm going to be doing our drill sounds with us. I will say the letters, keyword, and sound. Then when I point to you, you'll repeat the letter, keyword, and sound. I'm going to be reviewing the different spelling options for the k sound and two other consonants. Then I'll do the vowels. CK, sock, k. K, kite, k. C, cat, k. You should have noticed that you just made the same sound 3 times because C, K, and CK all make the k sound but have different spelling options. B, bat, b. D, dog, d. Now let's review our vowels. O, octopus, ah. U, up, E, ed, f. A, apple, ah. I, itch, ich. Nice job working on our drill sounds for today. We worked on identifying the letters, keyword, and sound for these letters here.